My name is Dr. Brooke Jackson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist in Chicago and contributor to Heart and Soul magazine. I'm also a 10-time marathoner, and now I'd like to start our online video marathon training journal for Heart and Soul magazine. So here's marathon tip number 1. Everyone needs to start training, and it's always advisable that you do your training outdoors because you're going to be running your marathon outdoors. The great thing about running outdoors is you get to experience all the fresh air and the elements. The downside about running outdoors is there's a lot of sun exposure. Most people take about 6 months to train for a marathon, and that is a significant amount of sun exposure over that time. Even though you may have darker skin, you are not out of the risk of developing skin cancer. Bob Marley died of a melanoma, so it is important that people of all colors maintain protection against the sun. So here are some safe ways to do that. Starting from the top, you want to make sure you're wearing a hat. That will actually protect your eyes and shield your forehead. I am also a runner, and a lot of my patients are runners too. They often complain about wearing sunscreen because they say when they put it on their forehead, it starts running in their eyes and stinging once they start to work out. So an easy way around that is, again, to wear your hat and apply your sunscreen from your cheek down. That way, the hat is protecting your forehead and the sunscreen protects from here down, and you really shouldn't have that issue with the sunscreen in your eyes. Moving down, you want to make sure that you're applying the proper amount of sunscreen. Ideally, you should use a shot glass, which is a full ounce, to cover your entire body. Most sunscreens, regardless of what they are made of, will break down themselves in the sun. So keep in mind, once your miles start getting up and you're out there more than 2 or 3 hours, you do need to reapply the sunscreen when you are out. So putting a little bit of sunscreen or sunblock in your fanny pack and reapplying it after about 2 hours is a fantastic idea. Remember to protect your lips. Men are in increased risk of developing skin cancer on their lips, women not so much because they actually wear lipstick, which is protective. So if you want to be cute while you're running, keep wearing your lipstick, but if you don't, make sure that you have a chapstick that has a little sun protection in it. And keep your clothes on. A lot of people during the summertime start taking their clothes off and wearing their bra tops while they're running. But remember that clothing is actually sun protective. So even keeping on a Cool Max dry fit shirt will offer you an SPF protection of about 10, and that's better than nothing. So run happy, run safe, and we'll see you at the start line.